So my secret ingredient is listening. And I'm not saying listen with one sense. I'm saying you need to be a listening machine in the world. Because whatever you're going to do, your intelligence is not a fixed thing. It's a floating understanding of the current reality. And the truth is, reality is constantly unfolding and changing around you. So you can never understand the situation and then draw a line, because it's fluid. It's already changed from the time I said that sentence. So it's this understanding that listening just never ends. And much like those weirdos who play didgeridoos at festivals, it's almost like circular breathing. You get into a rhythm of listening while you talk. It's a skill, and you need a very still mind in the right moments. Find the sanctuary in your head, because you need to carry that with you, and when you need to go there, you suddenly realize that when you still yourself, you're much better at like being in the moment. And often it's our other agendas, like you're too short, you're not rich enough, you're too fat, you're ugly, no one loves you. Like all that noise, just it destroys your ability to be awake in the moment. So you know, with my daughter, if there's a problem, when she was younger, we had a ritual. We'd go to a drive-through and get a McFlurry. And she would know there's going to be an ice cream, but there's going to be a difficult conversation. And we would start eating our ice creams, and then we would start the conversation. It just leveled the playing field. So I would say, if you know, listening for me is knowing when to buy a McFlurry, take a moment, and then respond.